So guess what happened yesterday? I got my first car. I'm so excited. I'm walking to the bus right now because I don't have a school permit yet. I can't wait because I'm so done taking the bus. But yep, we got the car yesterday. Yesterday was the best day. I just didn't film it because like there were like lots of people like at the dealership, and I was so busy last night. I had a couple volleyball games to go to. And so yeah, I just got back from school. Me and my dad just went for a little trip around the neighborhood. And so now what I'm so excited for is I'm gonna like make it mine. Like I'm gonna clean it. I'm just gonna put like a few things in, like just the normal necessities. And yeah, here we go. Yo, I cringed myself out. Please sponsor me. I gathered a few things, like a charger, I have a tire pressure, wipes. Help, what is the name of that? Oh, windshield wiper fluid. This, Kleenexes, hand sanitizer, and this scent smell thing. I'm so excited, oh my gosh. How many times have I said that? I swear like 12. Here's a quick glimpse. It's not that bad. There's just a few like sticky parts and like I just want to clean it. But the outside was already detailed. Looks so good. Oh, my shadow. Oh wait, I'm gonna take that circle thing off. So that's what the exterior looks like, super clean. I'm so grateful. All right, so I'm gonna start. Thank God. I don't know if I'm going crazy, but there's nothing to hold the hood up. And when I drop it, no, actually, where is it? So I guess I have a solution. This is gonna have to work. So this weekend, aka tomorrow, I'm going shopping. I'm getting more scent stuff. I'm getting floor mats. So yeah, this weekend I'm just gonna do some shopping. I've been saving up for like 8 years for this. And now it's mine. Like, what else? I'm probably not gonna film tomorrow when I'm at like Walmart and stuff, when I'm getting the stuff or whatever, wherever I go. I'm probably not gonna film, and I'll pick up in like a couple days. I'm trying to think, should I post like this part, like the cleaning part? Or should I just post it all together? I think I might just post it all together. I don't know. I think it's a V6, if you know anything about cars. That's exciting. I didn't even know that once I first test drove it until we got the Carfax papers for it. I was like, ooh, V6, let's go. Not gonna race. Just kidding. Actually, wait, why do I have we have a dolly? That's not ours. I just need to post more on YouTube. I'm like so lacking, bro. My hair looks so bad because we had like to do the mile in PE at the end of the day. No, that's not my thing. Like, well, I think I'm gonna post this and then do a part 2 of like a review or like driving or just like showing it off because I need to post and I'm just so excited. So a part 2 coming. Make sure you watch that. If you guys like today's video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you next week. See you next time because I'm not consistent. Let's be real.